Okay, Cody, we're recording the Undercover Ultra-Flex.
We have not already recorded this entire video once with no audio. So you want a hard folding tonneau cover to keep your gear dry and secure. And maybe you want to stand on it to prune your fruit trees. Don't do that! There are a number of good options out there for pruning your trees.
Cody, this isn't a ladder video.
Oh. Today, we're looking at the Undercover Ultra-Flex and the advantages it has over other tonneau covers, like the Bakflip MX4. Like the MX4, the Ultra-Flex is made from aluminum, making it lighter than polycarbonate or thermoplastic covers. This makes it easy to handle. It has one of the lowest profiles of any tonneau cover on the market, giving it a sleek look while maintaining its strength. You'll notice the Ultra-Flex is easy to open. Simply pull the cable on either side and lift up. Now, a feature that's really unique to the Ultra-Flex is its carpeted underside that gives it a clean, OEM Plus look. Also, notice the latches at each fold, keeping the Ultra-Flex's seal nice and tight and the profile low. To drive with the cover open, simply secure the easy snap straps to hold it in place. The Ultra-Flex can fully fold and stand on end, allowing for maximum use of the truck bed. And it doesn't lean against the truck's rear glass. Many people like this feature. Unlike the MX4, the Ultra-Flex also comes with LED strip lighting. This makes loading and unloading gear a snap at night. Now, unlike other tonneau covers, the Ultra-Flex will maintain its rear seal no matter what order you close the cover and tailgate in. Speaking of water, the Ultra-Flex has a channel underneath the seal that captures any water that makes it past the seal and drains it outside of the truck bed, keeping the gear dry. While a lot of other covers require drilling, the Ultra-Flex's channels simply clamp onto the bed rails. Removing the cover is even easier. Simply turn the knob and the cover lifts right out of the bed. As I've mentioned before, probably the closest competitor to the Ultra-Flex is the Bakflip MX4. Like the Ultra-Flex, the MX4 is also a super low profile aluminum cover. However, at Titan Truck, we recommend the Ultra-Flex because of added value. LED light strips, a carpeted underside, and the best warranty on the market, a 5-year warranty. Now, at a retail price of just under $1,000, the Ultra-Flex isn't a cheap knockoff disposable cover, but it is a good value. It combines a sleek, low-profile look with a multi-latch system, excellent water resistance, and ease of use. And it's made right here in the USA. You can find this and other tonneau covers on our website at titantruck.com by calling us or by stopping by. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like. If you want to see more videos from us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at Titan Truck Spokane. I'm Cody with Titan Truck, and we'll see you later.